Oh, where have you been, my blue-eyed son? Oh, where have you been, my young darling one? I stumble on the side of 12 misty mountains. I've walked and I've crawled on 6 crooked highways. I've stepped in the middle of 7 sad forests. I've been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard. And it's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard. Rain is gonna fall. What did you hear, my blue-eyed son? Oh, what did you hear, my darling young one? I heard the sound of a thunder that roared out a warning. I heard the roar of a wave that could drown the whole world. I heard 100 riders whose hands were blazing. I heard 10,000 whispering, nobody listening. I heard one person stop, I heard many people laughing. I heard the song of a poet who died in the gutter. I heard the sound of a clown who died in an alley. It's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard. Rain is gonna fall. Oh, what did you mean, my blue-eyed son? Oh, who did you meet, my darling young one? I met a young child beside a dead pony. I met a white man who walked a black dog. I met a young woman whose body was burning. I met a young girl, she gave me a rainbow. I met one man who was wounded in love. I met another man who was wounded in hatred. Oh yeah, now it's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard. Rain is gonna fall. Oh, what do you do now, my blue-eyed son? Oh, what do you do now, my darling young one? I'm going back out before the rain starts falling. I walk to the depths of the deepest dark ocean, where the people are many and the hands are all empty. the pellets of poison are flooding their waters. Oh, where the home in the valley meets a damp, dirty prison, where the executioner's face is hidden, where the hunger is hungry and the souls are forgotten, where black is a color and none is a number. And I'll tell it and I'll think it and I'll speak it and I'll breathe it, reflected from the mountain so all souls can see it. And I'll stand on the ocean before I start sinking, and I know my song before I start singing. It's a heart, it's a heart, it's a heart, it's hard, it's hard, it's gonna fall. That was a radio edit, believe it or not.
Oh, I love that song.